No! So maybe you're watching this because you're looking at teeth straightening solutions when smiling in pictures. And the reason is simple, it's because either they don't like their smile, which is more creamish. In this video, you'll be on the spotlight and lots of photos are going to be taken, so you started to look into getting straight teeth? Here, in this video, I'm in the hands of cosmetic teeth straightening expert. When you use the selfie mode on your camera, you simply position your camera. Hey, so you might be wondering what's a smile box, what's inside, how it works, and order your aligners. And the first set will be sent in this cute box, and we're gonna look through what's inside. So let's open it. So it comes like this, with a sleeve. I'm gonna answer the 7 questions we get asked about aligner cost. Maybe on top of your list, but time as well. You want to know how long you're gonna have our computer to go through all the guided steps and ultimately check in with you. So the first obvious question is, does it work? I'm the typical then intrinsic theoretic length. So if you don't last bit and conclusion. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon on Straight Teeth TV and StraightTeethDirect.com.